Strong performance across the board today. Let's start with the continued beats in big tech. Meta shares higher today. Not just higher, skyrocketing up 14% today after the company reported first quarter results late Wednesday that blew away expectations while raising its forecast for the current quarter, lowering its expense outlook following the first quarter and Mark Zuckerberg's, quote, year of efficiency. Meta platforms are trading at its highest since January of last year, Diane.
Mark's Meta to the moon on those numbers, right? I mean, double-digit jump, high for the year, highest level we've seen since 2022. Investors back on board in force with Meta. They liked how they beat on both the top and bottom line. Strong ad performance there. I listened to the earnings call yesterday. Mark sounded happy as, I mean, he's a measured guy. So, Marky Mark was in the building yesterday. And they did well. One thing that also stood out to me was he talked about AI. Mark has obviously wanted to push the metaverse, and he said he wanted to clear up something that had been in the air, that there was apparently talk that maybe they were moving away from the metaverse. He said that is not the case. The company is still focused on the metaverse and AI in tandem, but AI was mentioned a couple dozen times.
Yeah, a couple price target increases I want to mention. Morgan Stanley to 300, JP Morgan to 305. That's between 25 and 27%. It was interesting to hear the CFO talk about headcount growth in 2024, 1.1 to 2%. You might guess where that'd come in. Generative AI, ads, infrastructure, Reality Labs. Small note here, the show Red Table Talk, Jada Pinkett Smith, that has been canceled. One of the more talked about pieces of content out there, linear or nonlinear. That, of course, is Will Smith's wife, and a lot of controversy there over The Punch.